way Billy Bishop went to see his Uncle John, who lived down on the farm, so far away from harm. He'd heard about these girlies from the country o'er and o'er. He thought, you know, that they were slow. Now you'll hear him roar. Country bred and chicken fed, who said country girls were dead? Listen, boy, they got my eyes a-blinking. And if you think that they ain't wise, started telling them some lies, they'll open up your eyes, I'm thinking. 'Cause they get out instead of in their beds at early dawn. That's the way they never miss a thing that's going on. Country bred and chicken fed, like Patrick Henry said, give me the country girl for mine. Country bred and chicken fed can park their shoes beneath my bed anytime I find one who will marry. If you think they are dumb, go think up another one. You're wrong, so's your Uncle Harry. The girlies in the clover ain't so slow as you expect, but try and put one over and you'll get it in the neck. Country bred and chicken fed, like Herbert Hoover said, give me the country girl for mine. Bread and chicken fed, they've got me crazy in the head. When I leave, I'm surely going to miss them. They paint and bob their hair, wear red flannel, you know where, just so they won't get rheumatism. Now I met a lot of Quakers and I met a lot of Hicks, but you know they read the papers, so they're wise to all the tricks. Country bred and chicken fed, like Calvin Coolidge said, give me a little home in the country. Give me the country girl for mine.